Hello guys, so ngayon naglalaro ngayon code, code, ano daw? I'll pick now, because ano na magkano? That sucks. AK-47. Pwede. So pagbabaro po kayo guys, kita nyo to, dito sa taas, dito. Para pinot doon kayong babaril. So, that's suspicious. So, warm up pala to guys no, kasi wala pa zombie. Bro, what the frick, bro? Today's zombie. You wanna be sushi? So, we need to find a shelter. So, which is like this. Bro, I'm not gonna get close to you. Please, ayoko. No. Oh, zombie. Zombie detected. Bro, I see it. Zombies right there, bro. Zombie right there. He got bitten. Zombie na. Sama ni ayoko maging zombie. Come here, bro. I wanna eat ya. Like your family. Tabi. Ito yung mga guys. Ready? Outside. Poop. Add underscore bot sabay space AI. Poop. Pop. Poop. Full server. Full survey na pala. Survey daw. I mean server. There's a secret here guys. Can you see this? Should go eat, bro. Look at it. That's a secret. Secret base. Right, so. Oh, they're getting beaten by the zombies. If you're gonna bro. You are shot. Don't worry, follow me. Go. Pew. Guys, pili kayo. What is the best? Special forces or yung dilalang ko na to? Okay, then. May problema, wala kasi siya scope. Kaya, oh my god, dito problema, di ko makakapag-scope to. Bro, were you alive, bro? Were you alive? Kala ko patay ka na. Patay ka na ba? Patay ka. What? The best gun dito. God. The best gun. Stop! Oh my god. Okay, you and you do that. Ito ko. Tagay dyan, twerk. I-confuse mo siya. No! We lose guys. flashlight dito, no? Infection! Holy, bro! Holy shit! I don't wanna get infected now! It's okay. Let me pause it. Let me pause the game. There's a back. A back. Iba tayo. Bakit ito so bigod? So, madami siyang mods, no? Ay, modes. Mode. That arm race. Let's go to an arm race. Pwede di kayo LAN or LAN multiplayer. Go to territories because you will pick that, no? It hurts. So, yung bala nyo dito cycle kasi rin. Ang sakit. I got knocked out. Pero warm up pa lang yun, eh. Si Gabor, si Lina. Guys. What should be special group to na updated? Oh! Okay, this is the game. Dito na tayo magsisimula. Hindi makakapag-switch ng knife. Ano daw, di ko rin alam kung bakit. Oh, shit, boy! Sorry. I'm bad of this game. Who are you? FBI. Terrorist be like. Bro, almost killed that bullshit. Bro! Stop doing that things. Oh, here we go. We switch to guns. Oh, headshot. Oh, here we go. Get the fuck out of here, bros. Sakit mo na. The worst, yung ayoko dito, yung ayoko sa game na to. Yung shotgun, lilipad ka, free. Lilipad ka mismo, di mo nakita yun, ah. You know, tamo gamit yung shotgun, tapos lilipad ka. You're gonna fly, bro. Kita here, bro. Oh, shit, guys. Yeah, may shotgun na tayo. I will revenge. You better doctor, bro. You better shit, bro. Whoa. Oh, it hurts. So, this is like... Bro, she got a bushes. Oh, this is my best. This is the... Oh, AK. Move down. Dead down. Dead down. Oh, 2 health. Oh, there you go, see guys. It's hard to snipe, boys. Headshot. Oh, headshot. Pepex pa yun, pre. Ah! Kakalabas ko lang. Kikalabas ko lang, pre. Patay agad ako. If you turn here, this side, bro. We'll meet at sana. Bro, how you do that? I will end this if I die. Oh, here we go. Glock 19. Reloading. Bro. Glock 19 to, pre. Diba? Ow. Bro, if I die, I'm gonna stop recording this, bro. It's hard. Get the flip out of here. Cardo Dalisa ito. Kung kilala niyo si Cardo. Oh my god. Grabe yung ending niya doon sa ano. FPJ. Hindi sa Batang Quiapo yung FPJ ano. Yung ano niya yung ending. Nakala ko patay na. Sorry ka nagmumura ako ah. Ouch! It hurt. Bye-bye.